Good morning. I need to report
Moments.
the students based on moments. The meaning of moments is it's a particular mechanical term for the relation of equals, and the letter is its tendency to produce relation. In statistics, moments are used to describe the various characteristics of a frequency distribution and center tendency, variation, skewness, and tendencies. And the formula for moments is group data and group data. In group data, here's the formula. Moments is equal to summation of A raised to I over N. And group data, moments is equal to summation of F times A raised to I over summation of F. Then, the table moment and measures. First moment about the origin, the measure is mean. And second moment about the mean, the measure is variance. And the third moment about the mean is skewness. And last, the third moment about the mean, the measure is analysis.